Hola chicos, chicas, YouTubers, it is I, your Mexican Jelly Jumping Queen. So, I'm hearing noises outside my trailer, and I'm thinking it's more than one person. Also, I've had a bit of issues lately with the people next door, and the guy next door saying that he's dating my boyfriend, and my boyfriend denying it. So, I'm thinking that they might be trying to harm me, allegedly, in some way. Who knows? But I'm over here with broken ribs and a beat up kidney, whatever that means. And I can barely move. Hence the braces on me. But yeah, wish me luck. Bye, YouTube.